Is my Panasonic TV smart? Let's find out. Many modern Panasonic TVs are smart TVs, featuring internet connectivity and access to popular streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon Prime Video. They run on Panasonic's proprietary platform called My Home Screen, which provides a simple interface for streaming content and browsing apps. If your Panasonic TV has built-in Wi-Fi or Ethernet connectivity and supports apps, then it is a smart TV. However, not all Panasonic TVs are smart TVs. Some older or basic models may lack these features. To check, look for the Smart TV label in your TV's specifications or user manual. If your model isn't smart, you can still add smart functionality by connecting an external device like a Roku stick, Amazon Fire Stick, or Apple TV. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.